All right, here we go, number 6. So now we're dealing with our 30, 60, 90 triangles, okay? So our rules are different. However, I want to do the same thing first, okay? Across from 30 is A, across from 60 is A radical 3, across from 90 is 2A. So I'm going to label those sides. So if that's 60, this has to be 30. So that makes this A radical 3, and 2A. Well, if you look at number 6, that's a lot easier for us. So that makes things a lot easier here. That tells me that A is 4. So I'm just going to plug 4 into my rule. So Y is the A radical 3 side. Well, since A is 4, Y is 4 radical 3. X is the 2A side. Well, since A is 4, X is 2 times 4, so X is 8. First step again, label your sides. There's 30, so this is A. This is 60, so that's A radical 3. And this is 2A since it's our hypotenuse. Well, again, they made it easy for us. Wow, what nice people. Look, this A radical 3 side has a 6 radical 3. So that tells me 6 is our A value, and I need to plug 6 into our rule. Y is across from 30, so Y is our A side, so Y is just 6. X is our 2A, so 2 times 6 gives me 12. Let's keep going. Again, label your sides right away. This is obviously 30. So this is our A side, this is our A radical 3 side, and this is 2A. Well, you'll recognize in this problem that across from 30, hold on a second. I want to give myself some space to work there. So again, across from 30 is 2 radical 3. So don't let that confuse you. All right. A lot of people will say, hey, that means V is going to be 2 radical 3, and this is going to be 4. All right. Don't let that confuse you. Across from 30 is 2 radical 3. So that tells me this is our A. So I'm going to take this 2 radical 3, and I'm going to substitute it in for A here. So how is that going to look? That's going to be V equals 2 radical 3 radical 3. Again, we're going to do all this work that you might be able to do in your head. 2 radical 9, which is 2 times 3 to give me 6. All right, U is 2 times 2 radical 3. Well, I don't multiply the 2. I multiply 2 times 2. But I do not multiply the 2 to the radical 3 because it's inside the radical. All right, it's inside the radical. They're not like terms. I cannot multiply those things. So my answer for U is just 4 radical 3. Okay, that 3 is trapped inside there. You cannot get inside that radical without being a radical yourself. All right, without being a radical as well. Okay, so let's label our sides again. Here we go. We got A radical 3, and 2A. Oh, look, 6 represents our 2A side. So if 2A equals 6, so that means A equals 3 dividing both sides by 2. You might be able to do this part in the head. I just want you to be able to see where I got that 3 from. So that tells me if A is 3, then Y is also 3. If X is A radical 3, then X is 3 root 3. Again, this first part is a big step right here. All right, this is a big step. Recognizing that, hey, 6 is the 2A. Oh, well, if 6 is 2A, then if I divide 6 by 2, that means A is going to be 3. Let's keep going. Last one of our 30, 60, 90. I have, where's 60? Okay, so A root 3, and 2A. Well, in this one, 2A represents, the 2A side is 2 root 3. So I'm going to show this work. 2A is 2 root 3. So I divide both sides by 2. A is root 3, or I'm going to say 1 root 3. That tells me right away that y equals 1 root 3. Boom, I'm done. X might be a little bit longer. X is 1 root 3 times root 3, which is 1 root 9, which is 3. So x equals 3. Boom. All right. I will pick up with Robbie the rodent in our next video.